Ever wondered how crucial HR analytics is in efficient management? Well, let's unfold the mystery. HR analytics, also known as people analytics, is the data-driven approach to managing people at work. It's not just a fancy term, it's a significant shift in how we understand and direct human potential. In today's digital era, where data is the new oil, HR analytics has emerged as a game changer. It's a tool that can transform the entire landscape of business management. It's about making informed decisions that not only optimize HR functions, but also contribute to the overall business strategy. Imagine being able to predict employee turnover, improve workforce productivity, and identify skill gaps before they become a problem. That's the power of HR analytics. It's about having a bird's-eye view of your organization and taking proactive steps towards improvement. In this video, we delve into the transformative power of HR analytics in efficient management. So, what exactly is HR analytics? The term might sound complex, but it's actually quite straightforward. HR analytics, also known as people analytics or talent analytics, is a data-driven approach to managing people at work. It's like a microscope for your organization, allowing you to magnify and examine every detail of your workforce. At its core, HR analytics revolves around the analysis of employee data. This data could encompass anything from recruitment metrics and performance indicators to employee engagement surveys and attrition rates. But it's not just about collecting data, it's about interpreting it, finding patterns, and using those insights to make informed decisions. Imagine you're a detective. Your crime scene, the workplace, your clues, the data, your mission, to solve the mystery of how to maximize productivity, enhance employee satisfaction, and ultimately drive business success. So how does it work? Well, HR analytics is a three-step process. First, data is collected from various sources like HR systems, employee surveys, and even social media. This data is then analyzed using statistical methods to identify trends and patterns. Finally, the insights gained from this analysis are used to inform strategic decision-making. For example, by analyzing patterns in employee turnover, an organization could identify key factors that are causing its best employees to leave. They could then take steps to address these issues, such as improving work-life balance or increasing compensation. It's important to note that HR analytics isn't about invading employee privacy or making decisions based on numbers alone. It's about combining the power of data with the power of human intuition and experience. It's about understanding the story behind the numbers and using that understanding to create a better workplace for everyone. HR analytics also extends beyond the realm of HR. It intersects with other business areas such as finance, operations, and marketing, providing a holistic view of the organization and facilitating cross-functional collaboration. HR analytics is, therefore, not just a trend, it's a game changer in today's competitive business environment. Let's take a real-world scenario to better understand the application of HR analytics. Imagine a company named Future Tech. They are a burgeoning tech startup with a staff of 100 employees. But Future Tech had a problem. They were experiencing a high turnover rate and it was affecting their productivity and morale. They needed to address this issue and fast. Enter HR analytics. Future Tech decided to leverage HR analytics to get to the heart of their retention problem. They began by collecting data from exit interviews, employee surveys, and performance reviews. This data provided them with a wealth of information about their employees, their satisfaction levels, and the reasons behind their departures. The company then used this data to identify patterns and trends. They found that many employees left due to a lack of career development opportunities. Others left because they felt their skills were not being adequately utilized. Also, they identified that employees who left the company typically did so within their first 2 years of employment. Armed with these insights, Future Tech began to take action. They implemented a robust career development program, offering training and upskilling opportunities to their employees. They also took steps to ensure that employees were placed in roles that best utilized their skills and talents. To address the issue of early departures, Future Tech introduced an onboarding program designed to better integrate new hires into the company culture. This program included mentorship opportunities, networking events, and a comprehensive introduction to the company's values and vision. But Future Tech didn't stop there. They continued to use HR analytics to monitor the effectiveness of these initiatives. They tracked key metrics such as employee satisfaction, retention rates, and productivity levels. And what they found was encouraging. Over the course of a year, FutureTech's turnover rate decreased by 20%. Employee satisfaction levels increased and productivity soared. This case study is a prime example of HR analytics in action. FutureTech didn't just collect data. They analyzed it, identified trends, and used those insights to drive strategic decision-making. They turned a problem into an opportunity for improvement. And in doing so, they created a better working environment for their employees. But perhaps most importantly, FutureTech demonstrated the power of HR analytics to drive change. They showed that when used effectively, HR analytics can help companies identify issues before they become problems, make informed decisions, and ultimately improve their overall performance. So, whether you're a small business owner, an HR professional, or a CEO, consider the power of HR analytics. Consider how it could help your company solve problems, enhance productivity, and foster a positive, engaged workforce. As you can see, HR analytics can provide invaluable insights that lead to smarter, more efficient management decisions. The benefits of HR analytics extend beyond just problem solving. By digging deeper into this multifaceted tool, we can discover a veritable treasure trove of advantages that can revolutionize the way businesses operate. Imagine being able to predict future trends and patterns within your organization. Sounds like science fiction, right? But with HR analytics, it's not only possible, but it's also practical. This predictive capability allows businesses to identify potential issues before they become problems, enabling proactive measures rather than reactive responses. It's like having a crystal ball, only this one is backed by data and statistics. Next, let's talk about decision-making. We all know that making decisions based on gut feelings can lead to unpredictable outcomes. But what if you could make informed decisions based on concrete data? HR analytics provides that data, offering actionable insights that can guide decision-making processes. It's like having a compass in the wilderness of business, always pointing you in the right direction. Efficiency is another key benefit of HR analytics. By identifying patterns and trends, businesses can streamline processes, reduce redundancies, and optimize resources. The result? A leaner, more efficient organization that gets more done in less time. It's like having a well-oiled machine that operates smoothly and effectively. Lastly, let's not forget about cost savings. By identifying inefficiencies and implementing effective strategies, businesses can significantly reduce costs. Whether it's reducing turnover, improving productivity, or optimizing resource allocation, the potential for savings is substantial. It's like having a financial advisor, always looking out for your bottom line. In essence, HR analytics equips businesses with the tools to not only survive, but thrive in today's data-driven world. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points we've discussed today. We kicked off our journey by exploring the potent force that is HR analytics. It's not just a buzzword, but an essential tool that empowers organizations to make data-driven decisions about their most valuable asset, their people. We then took a deep dive into understanding HR analytics. It's a process that involves collecting and interpreting data related to human resources, which aids in making informed decisions. From recruitment to retention, performance management to talent development, HR analytics plays a significant role in every aspect of human resource management. We also saw HR analytics in action through a case study, which underscored its practical application. The case study showed how a company transformed its HR processes by harnessing the power of analytics. It demonstrated that HR analytics is not a theoretical concept, but a practical tool that can yield tangible benefits when applied correctly. Next, we discussed the myriad benefits of HR analytics. It enables organizations to identify trends, predict future scenarios, and make strategic decisions. It's like having a crystal ball that provides insights into the future of your workforce. HR analytics can help reduce employee turnover, improve performance, and enhance productivity, thereby driving operational efficiency. In essence, HR analytics is a game changer. It can lead to more efficient and effective management by providing insights and actionable data. It enables organizations to understand their workforce better, predict future trends, and make strategic decisions. It's not just about collecting data, but about interpreting it and using it to drive business success. With HR analytics, businesses can transform their HR functions and drive their success to new heights. It's a powerful tool that can enhance the effectiveness of HR management and contribute to the overall success of an organization. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, the power of HR analytics is just a decision away.